Hello, good evening students. Sorry for the delay in the video, but the next topic which we are going to discuss today, the properties of solids, liquids and gases. Based on this concept, many questions are used to be asked. For example, why iron almira or the log of the wood is solid, why water is in liquid and oxygen is in the gaseous state. So all those questions actually based on the properties of gases. These all solid, liquids and gases. First property is that in all the solid particles are tightly packed. Okay, and in liquid they are loosely packed in comparison to solids. Okay, in comparison to solids. Okay, then in gases they are most loosely packed. Okay, so actually why these particles are loosely packed, it depends on the force of attraction. So in case of solid, they have strong force of attraction. In case of liquid, it is intermediate. Okay, and in case of gases, it is least. Okay, so due to which they have different order of arrangement. Okay, so solid particles are not able to move from one place to another. They can vibrate on the application of temperature. Means when you will keep on increasing temperature, they will be able to change solid into liquids and liquid to gases. Okay, because what will happen, when particles will start vibrating. Okay, suppose this is the solid and these are the particles. These will be closely packed in case of your solids. See, you can see there is no space between the particle. They are tightly packed arrangement. So it is, suppose it is the log of wood, it is rectangular in the shape. So what happens when you will increase the temperature? These particles start vibrating, and they will vibrate. Their motion reaches to that extent that they overcome the force of attraction and they get separated, and then they changes to liquid. Okay, and similarly when you keep on heating this liquid will change into gases. Okay, and this is, and if you will do reverse process, if you will decrease temperature, gases will condense and change into liquid, and liquid, if you keep on decreasing temperature, it will change into solid. Example is water. It exists in the 3 different states of matter, and on the application of increasing temperature, you can see ice changes to water and water changes to vapor. And if you do vice versa, what will happen? The vapors will get back into the water and waters will turn back into the ice. So these are the basically properties of solids. Okay, they are rigid,